Hey there, now we're going to look at the symbols tool again. This time we're going to focus on the math symbols. Now remember, when you're in the tools, your tools will generate in the color that you have your pen settings set to. So I'm not sure that I want to use that yellow, so I'm going to turn over to purple. You can adjust these colors however best suits you and your classroom. As you can see with the math symbols, we have parentheses, brackets, and the square brackets. We also have our traditional functions. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, the infinity symbol, integrals, percentages, numbers, the radical sign, our summations, our deltas, and then we even have our coordinate squares, our coordinate grids. So we can pull those over, and you can see there we have a coordinate grid. You can adjust that coordinate grid to pivot. You can also adjust the length of your axis as well. So that's a little bit there. You can clear that. Remember, with your eraser tool, you can erase all objects against symbols, and then we can use any of the letters, we can use the numbers that will help us to make those basic math functions. And there you have it. I hope that helps.